Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will enhance your messaging experience on Telegram: how to send a one-time view voice message. This feature allows you to share audio without leaving a permanent record in the chat, making it perfect for private or fleeting communication. Let's dive into the updated steps you need to follow to make this work smoothly on your Android device. First, you'll want to open the Telegram app on your Android device. Make sure it's the latest version to access new features. Once you have the app open, find and select the chat where you want to send your voice message. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, whichever suits your needs. Now, at the bottom right of your screen, you'll see the microphone icon. This is crucial for sending voice messages. Go ahead and tap and hold this icon to start recording your message. It's as simple as that. While you're recording, keep an eye on the microphone icon. When you're ready to send your voice memo privately, you'll need to swipe up on the microphone icon. This action will activate the one-time view feature. Next, look for the View Once icon that appears on your screen. This is the key to ensuring that the recipient can only listen to your voice message one time. Once you tap this icon, all that's left is to send your message. So, tap on the send arrow icon, and voila! Your one-time view voice message is on its way. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to sending one-time view voice messages on Telegram. Give it a try and enjoy the extra layer of privacy it offers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.